All right, so you have your paper. You put your title on the top of your page and today's date. You have this that you printed out, so you can cut it out, and then you're going to cut each one of these apart and then glue down the spine part here. So go ahead, pause this video, and you can do that now. All right, so now that you have it glued down, we're going to flip them open so we can write our definitions underneath it. The first one is heredity. Heredity is the passing of traits from parents to offspring. So you are an offspring of your parents, and they passed on to you characteristics or traits that are unique to them or to your grandparents. Okay, then the next one is parents. Mature adults that are capable of reproducing. Forgot to finish my word. Then offspring. Offspring is the product of reproduction, the child or young of parents. Now, you might be thinking, okay, well, I'm an offspring and my parents, it's only like that for animals that, 2 dogs can be parents and they have a litter of puppies, so they can be parents and the puppies are the offspring. Well, the same thing goes for plants. So there are parent plants and there are offsprings. So think about the little sprouts. Those are offspring of 2 parents. So it works for anything that is living. Okay, traits. The characteristics of a living thing, an organism. And only multicellular organisms can have parents and offspring because a single-celled organism just splits, I believe. Now I'm double guessing myself. I might have to look that up. You guys. All right, behavior. How an organism acts or responds. It is believed that an organism's behavior is a mix of its DNA, which is what you're born with, and its environment. Your DNA are your genes or your traits that you get from your parents. It's the scientific name of it. And then instincts, an innate fixed behavior. Instincts are behaviors that are believed to be completely controlled by its DNA. So an instinct, if you stick your hand on something that's hot, your instinct is right away to pull away. Or if you get scared, like if someone startles you and you flinch back, that's all your instincts. Your body's automatically telling you to pull back and do stuff. Or for birds that live in warmer conditions in the summer and then they migrate to a different warmer area in the winter. Like here we have some birds, especially geese, Canadian geese. When it gets really cold, they migrate to somewhere that's warmer. That's when you see them flying in a V a lot in the fall because they're migrating. All right, so make sure you have those written down. And then you can go on to the next slide.